Everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 525 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I'm trying out the e.l.f. Beautifully Bare Satin Lipstick in the shade Touch of Berry that I got from Ulta recently. This was part of that Lippies gift with purchase that I got so many different awesome lip products from. And if you haven't seen that Ulta haul yet, I will link that video down below. But this is a full-size product and I got it free gift with purchase, but you can still buy this on the Ulta website for only $5, which actually, when I saw $5 for an e.l.f. lipstick, I was a little bit surprised because I feel like e.l.f. is such an affordable brand that I almost would have thought that it would be like $2 or $3, but maybe it'll be really good. I also saw on the Ulta website when I was looking into this that they have a whole collection of the Beautifully Bare products. I saw eyeshadows and face makeup and brow products, and I had never heard of that before, but I was very intrigued. So if you've tried any of those products, let me know your thoughts on them in the comments down below, and if there are any other Beautifully Bare e.l.f. collection products that I should pick up. e.l.f. is definitely one of my favorite brands. I've tried out so many e.l.f. products. I've even done a full face using only e.l.f. makeup, which if you want to see that video, I will also link that down below. And I just love that it's cruelty free and it's so affordable, but it's great quality. Like this lipstick right here, it says, create a fresh, natural look with this lightweight satin lipstick enhanced with vitamin E and shea butter. So I'm intrigued to see how this creates that soft, natural look, especially when it looks kind of like a darker shade. So maybe it'll be sheer. Let's find out. Ooh, this is pretty packaging. I like the shape and that kind of clear effect. It's a little bit different than the classic lipstick tubes. I feel like that's a little bit more product than I normally see in a lipstick. Ooh, this has such a nice scent to it. I don't know why I just automatically went to smell it, but I'm glad I did because it smells a little bit like Blistex, but like mixed with vanilla. I don't know, I like it. Okay, I'm just gonna swatch it to start. Okay, it does have some sheerness to it, but still quite a bit of color. I like that. That looks really pretty. It's like a raspberry shade. I mean, it is called Touch of Berry. Very appropriate. Let's see how it looks on my lips. My gosh, I love the texture of this. As I was just rubbing my lips together, it feels so nice and silky smooth and hydrating, like a lip balm. Okay, lipstick is applied, and like I said, first impression, I love how this feels on my lips. I love the texture. It also really hydrated my lips. My lips were, of course, looking a little bit chapped before I applied this, but now they look so hydrated, not the least bit chapped, and that's how they feel as well. And this color looks so nice. It does have a little bit of sheerness, but in a way that I really like. I feel like it makes it look a little bit more like a wearable nude shade. Like the color is still full and even, but with that sheerness, I feel like it looks just a little bit like there's less effort going into it, but in a good way. I feel like this is a color that I could just throw on anytime, no matter what my makeup look is that day, and I love those types of products. So all in all, I'm so excited about this product. Another e.l.f. product that I'm a big fan of, and it definitely makes me want to try out more of that Beautifully Bare collection from e.l.f. Another great lipstick to add to my collection. I seriously have such a large collection of lipsticks that I love because I feel like I've been having such great luck with all of the products I've been trying lately. Knock on wood, because hopefully that doesn't mean that the next products I try out are going to be terrible. But subscribe to my channel to find out, because I post a new video every day at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time of me trying a new makeup product, if you didn't know that already. But thank you so much for watching, and I will see you tomorrow in my next video.